exactly as the specification.
There's a Shuttleworth family connection with the Sopwith Triplane in particular, on the correct gauge and all was well.
The advantage for us now is that Clerget and Shuttleworth were licensed producers of these aircraft and were given full plans and specifications, which of course were in our possession when the Northern Aeroplane Workshops volunteered to build the aircraft from new. And that's how we're very fortunate to have the Sopwith Triplane with us, because it's built to the original designs that were provided to Clerget and Shuttleworth. They also produced some Sopwith Pups, but they all produced a lot of Sopwith cabins. And in fact, there is an original Clerget and Shuttleworth Sopwith cabin in Krakow. So not local, but you can go and have a look at it. It's all there in one piece.
Now we are a couple of minutes away from a fleeting visit